About a month ago, I made a video on this new AI video tool called Keling, which showcased incredibly realistic AI videos comparable to Sora. At that time, it was only accessible in China, but now they've released a global platform and anyone can try it out for free. In this video, I'll break down exactly what Keling is capable of and how to use it. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Before we try Keling ourselves, let's take a look at some stunning examples shared by other users. The first video I want to show you features an incredibly lifelike protagonist smiling naturally at the camera. The prompt for this video is beautiful Chinese model filming a commercial, smiling, hair blowing in the wind. What I like about this video is that the character remains consistent from start to finish. Here's another video of a hand pouring milk into a glass. The prompt for this video is carefully pour the milk into the cup. The milk flow is smooth and the cup is gradually filled with milky white. What's particularly remarkable about this is how the milk fills the glass proportionally to the amount being poured. However, at the very start, you'll notice the milk level increases in the glass before any is poured in. This shows it's developing a good theoretical understanding of pouring liquids, but it's not perfect. Nevertheless, look at the wonderful details on the hand, like the fine lines on the knuckles. Here's another video of a dog sticking his head out of a running car. The prompt is an adorable black and white border collie, head sticking out of the car window, hair blown by the wind, smiles and sticks out his tongue. The details of the dog, the motion of the car, and the passing background all look realistic. The dog is in focus while the background is blurred, giving it a cinematic feel. Here is an example that really showcases the benefits of Keling AI video. The neon reflections coming off the puddles create a fantastic sense of a cyberpunk reality. The prompt for this video is extreme close-up with a shallow depth of field of a puddle in a street, reflecting a busy futuristic Tokyo city with bright neon signs, night, lens flare. In order to use Keling AI, all you have to do is visit klingai.com. You have the option of creating either AI images or AI videos. If you would like to explore the examples on the homepage, you can simply scroll through to get some inspiration. You can see whether these have been created with an image or a text prompt as well as the settings used. Now you can come into AI videos and use both text to video and image to video options. First, I'll try the text to video feature. You can simply enter a prompt here or use these pre-made prompt templates. I will give this one a go, but you are welcome to use any prompt you like. Then, from the settings menu, you can change this slider from creativity to relevance. If you slide this further to relevance, it will give you closer prompt adherence, and if you go more to creativity, it will allow the AI to apply its own stylistic intent to your work. The next options you have are high performance or high quality. High performance gives you faster generation speed, while high quality gives you better visual quality. Next, you have the option of choosing between 5 and 10 seconds. Currently, high performance mode does not support 10-second videos. You also get to change the aspect ratio. Right now, you have 3 options: landscape, vertical, and square. The max resolution supported by Keling is 1280 by 720 pixels, which is decent. As for credits, everyone is being given daily credits to try out the platform. It does not appear that there are pricing options to buy more credits right now, but they are saying that they are getting ready for subscription programs. Next, you have the camera control, which allows you to select how the camera moves around the subject in your scene. You can select horizontal, vertical, zoom, pan, tilt, or roll. I will simply put a zoom here. You can use this slider to adjust the amount of camera motion. It's important to note that when camera control is not specified, the model will intelligently match based on images or descriptions. Finally, you have a negative prompt box where you put things that you don't want to see in your video. You can use this to exclude elements like distortion, disfigurement, low quality, etc. However, this is optional, so you don't need to include those terms to get a good video. Let's hit the generate button. For these settings, it will cost me 10 credits. While creating the video, I'd like to mention that the user experience of the Keling platform is very intuitive. As for the speed of video generation, it is fairly good. It has been taking between 1 and 2 minutes for me to generate a 5-second long video.
A few moments later.
Here, you can see the example that I created. Next up, we have image to video, which I think is the best workflow for working in an AI video generator because it allows you to take complete control over the starting point of your video. To use this feature in Keling, select the image to video tab and then click this box to upload an image. If you don't have any images on your computer, don't worry. Keling also has a text to image feature. Let's create an image first and then we will bring it to life with the image to video feature. You can access the text to image feature by going to the menu in the top left corner. From here, you can use their pre-made prompts or write your own. I will use my own prompt. You also have the option of adding a reference image, which will generate images that match the style and theme of the uploaded image. But this is optional, so you can skip it if you don't want it. We can also choose different aspect ratios and the number of images we want to generate. Each image costs 0.20 credits. And this is what I got. Now click here where it says bring to life and you will be redirected to the image to video page. Now you can add a prompt describing your creative idea or leave it empty and allow the AI to imagine it. I'll leave this empty. As for these settings, I will keep it to default. And note that camera movement is currently disabled in the image to video version. The ability to specify the first frame and the final frame is also disabled for now. This allows for the creation of interesting transitions where you can go from one subject to another that's completely unrelated, as seen in both Sora and Luma. Let's hit the generate button. It will cost you 10 credits.
A few moments later.
Here's what I got from this image to video feature. So what do you think of the Keling AI video generator? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. And if you want to see more videos on the latest AI tools and insights, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.